Hello everyone, welcome to the channel World of Biological Science. You may subscribe to the channel to get notifications of the latest uploads. You may also click the like icon button if you like the video. And you can also give me your feedback to the comment section of this video. Today in this video we are going to discuss about cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms are composed of cells. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life, and it's considered the basic and the smallest unit of organization of all living organisms. Organisms are composed of either prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell lack membrane-bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, and they also lack true nucleus, the genetic material which is in the form of DNA. It lies in the center of the cell, known as nucleoid. Example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria. Second category of the cell is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells have membrane-bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi complex, chloroplast. They also have true nucleus, which is bounded by double membrane known as nuclear envelope. Example of eukaryotic organisms are plants, animals, and fungi. Living organisms are composed of either one cell or many cells. Those organisms which are composed of one cell are known as unicellular organisms. For example, bacteria, amoeba, paramecium. These are all unicellular organisms, and these are made up of only one cell. On the other hand, we have multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are composed of more than one cells. An example of multicellular organisms are plants, animals, and fungi. Protoplasm is the living matter of the cell. It has three main parts: cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Cell membrane is the outermost boundary in animal cells, while in plant cells it is covered by another boundary known as cell wall. Cell membrane separates the inside of the cell from outside. It is partially permeable and allows only selective molecules to pass through it. In this way, it helps in maintaining the composition of the cell. Second part of the protoplasm is nucleus is darkly stained spherical structure which occupies central position in animal cells, while in plant cells it is pushed aside because of presence of large central vacuole. Nucleus is covered by nuclear envelope, which is a double membrane and separates the side of the nucleus from the cytoplasmic content of the cell. Nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. Third part of the protoplasm is cytoplasm. It is the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Plasm is the site for some of the chemical reactions, and it also provides space for organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. All these organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. Chemically, protoplasm is composed of 70 to 90% water, and remaining 10 to 30% are mineral salts like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and organic compounds. Organic compounds are the carbon compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen bonds together. Examples of organic compounds are carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Composition of protoplasm varies from cell to cell and organisms to organism. It is different in different cells of the same organism. In plants, xylem cells have different composition of protoplasm than that of the phloem cells. In human beings, bone cells have different composition, while the brain cells have different composition of the protoplasm. Bone cells contain 20% of water, while brain cells contain 85% water in its protoplasm. Protoplasm exists in two forms. It exists in sol state or gel state. Sol is the liquid state which forms solution, and gel is a semi-solid state. It has jelly-like consistency. Periphery, which is the outer part of the cell, is often like a gel.